Hi, in today's video we're gonna discuss how can we approach a polymer network in our imagination. We can imagine a polymer network as a cage filled with bars inside. Each bar is a row of atoms bonded by chemical bonds. In the case of thermoset paints, strong covalent bonds. If we were nanoscopic agents, we can dive into the volume of that cage and navigate into the empty space it contains. Indeed, within the network, there is empty volume through which atmospheric particles can enter. But the difference is in the time it takes. How quickly do they do so? Well, in epoxy it's quite slow because the voids are narrower, since the network is quite more compact compared to other paints. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cosmos Coatings. See you in the next video.